Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a small table runner. In front of you is the foam bowl to keep the foam. So this idea could be used for fresh flower also. I just used 2 of this foam to make the table runner. Look. And then let's make the flower arrangement. Okay, let's make the flower arrangement. But first of all, let's reserve some space for our candle. Like this. And look, this artificial branch. So I will put it like this. Because there are iron wire inside, so we can bend to make the shape. And also another one. Okay, in order to make them tightly on the foam, I will tie them with the string. And also this branch. Okay, then put on our candle. And then we will insert our flower and leaf with our different leaf. Look, different leaf, different color and type of the flower. First of all, let's insert our leaf. Look, use this leaf. I will use this leaf also. I have a lot of type of leaf. Look, I have also this type of leaf. And also, I have this type of leaf. Okay, after we put the leaf at the edge of the frame, then let's make the surface. I forgot to insert the flowers. And sometimes I will use long stem to extend. Also, long stem for the leaf. Okay, I found this flower pretty good, so I will use it. This flower very pretty. I will put some white flower to balance the pink. I will use some blue color. Okay, almost completed. And look at this. We can see the foam through the flower and leaf. So we need to use this small leaf to cover the space. And also, I will use some small flower and slip. Okay, the centerpiece was completed. Now, let's put it on the table. Okay, look, this is the effect after I set up the table. Look, let's check it as we are sitting on the table. Let's check it from this side. And let's check it from top. And now, let's check it from this side. Let's check it here. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.